It is time. The weekend is coming, and how do you spend your weekend? Comment below. For me, it's going to be gardening, and my new asparagus are growing very fast. And of course, I'm spending time with my wife and my little boy. So today, let's talk about thyme. Not thyme, but thyme, the herb that we use in many of our dishes. Like rosemary, thyme is a very popular garden plant. Not only that it adds texture to your garden, but it also gives out a very pleasant smell when you brush against it. So how do we grow thyme at home? Of course, we can always use the same grow method. If you have been following me for some time now, you will know what this method is really all about. It is an effective way to determine the growing conditions of the particular plant that you want to grow and help you to know and understand exactly how to grow that particular plant well. So if you have not downloaded my Grow ebook, click on the description below and download it for free today. So the first thing to do in the grow method is to look for photos of thyme growing in the wild. You can easily Google for these photos, and the more photos you have, the better the result will be. And with this photo, we will want to identify the growing conditions and replicate the same in our own garden. And that's what really the grow method is all about. So here are some photos of thyme growing in the wild. The first condition we look at is light. Can you see that thyme is usually found out in the open? There's no shade and they are always exposed directly under the sun. So when we grow thyme at home, we will want to grow them under direct sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours every day. And the next condition that we look at will be water. So we look at the soil. Right? It seems to be very grainy and dry, right? That means that the soil is on the dry side. There's not a lot of moisture in the soil. And with that, we do not need to water the plant that often. And moving on to the third condition is potting media. As you can see from the soil, it looks grainy and dry. That means that the soil is very draining. It doesn't retain a lot of moisture in the soil. So water that flows through the soil gets easily flow out from the bottom of the pot or bottom of the soil, right? So in our garden, we will want to use draining media like burners or sand or mixing with garden soil for organic matter and nutrients. So that's how we can modify the soil to recreate that same kind of growing condition. And the fourth condition is humidity. Right, given it's out in the open and the environment is very dry, humidity tends to be very low. So thyme can be grown on balconies or windy spots in the garden. So you need to choose somewhere there is a lot more wind, there's a better airflow to grow thyme. And the last condition is feeding. Right, it refers to the nutrients in the soil. And thyme is found in grasslands and there are plentiful of organic matter in the soil. So we will need to mix our draining media with garden soil or add fertilizers on a regular basis. So there you go, the 5 growing conditions of thyme. So do you feel a lot more confident now growing the thyme at home? Yes, and that's the power of the grow method. If you want me to use the grow method on a particular plant that you're interested in, comment below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on the button below too. So every week I will post new videos to help you to become a better gardener. For now, it's time for you to grow some thyme. I will see you in the next video.